Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a 3D pyramid chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make a 3D pyramid. Select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then select the all chart. Now I am select the column and choose the 3D stacked column, then select OK. Select the chart, click right button, go to the select data option. Now I am select the switch row and column option, then check mark of the one, then click OK. Now I am select the first series, click right button, go to the format data series option. Now I am select the full pyramid, then click OK. Now we can see we create a 3D pyramid chart easily. You can rename the chart. Now I am select the chart title and rename this. Now we can see we make a 3D pyramid chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.